Hello everybody, this is Dan. This is our week 6 update video for statistics in the spring of 2014. Just want to touch base about chapters 4, 5, and 6 and point out a few things that have been going on. The first thing I want to show is under the FAQ. I'm in the course content here, and under FAQ I've been getting a few questions regarding the homework. So when I get those, I'll be posting question or solutions there. Like for instance, in section 4.3, number 8, I actually made a short YouTube video explaining how to do it. You can check that out. It actually has some good things just in general about chapter 4 with conditional probability. And I also encourage you all to post your questions there. Even if you hit the Ask My Instructor button, you can also post it there and try to get that conversation going, especially as the questions get more difficult as we go along here. This is a good place. And make sure when you go into the FAQ discussion board that if you haven't done so, to subscribe to the discussion board. So if anything does get posted, you'll get a notification email that somebody's put something out there. So just want to encourage you to do that. Again, under chapter or course content, chapters 4 through 6, I have up under textbook and review materials. There is, obviously the multimedia e-text, some review things, and then I've also put the chapter 2 or test 2 formula sheet, and this is the formula sheet you'll have for your second exam. I'm thinking about maybe modifying this, and if so, I will let you know before that third exam, but this is going to be pretty confident this is all you're going to really need. The conditional probability formula, probably if A given B, that video I just made kind of talks about that. Probably if A or B is adding them up and subtracting the intersection, and then the expected value of a distribution, which we'll be talking more about. Binomial probability formula, which we'll be getting into more this week, and then the same z-score formula, and then the chapter 6 is the new thing is the central limit theorem. So those are some new things that are going on here, but just encourage you to go make sure you know where that's at. I've also put a little link here to a Venn diagram shading applet. It's kind of a fun little game, but it teaches you how to find the difference between union and intersection and or not and all those things. So so it's got like all these different shadings you can do here and shade the correct circle. So A union B, so there's A or B, stuff like that, and you can check it. So just something I'd encourage you to do. The videos over these chapter 5 is this week, and I'll go back out here to chapters 4 through 6, chapter 5 content. Videos are good. There's the homework link, and then this little applet here to play around with the binomial distribution. And I would encourage you to get ahead of these. I know this isn't due for almost 2 weeks from today, but really encourage you to get after these a little more. And this has a fourth component that's no credit, but extra, if you want to do it. It's optional here. So with some simulations. I've gotten a few people that have already submitted from chapter 4. I'll go back to their chapter 4 discussion board. It was pretty straightforward. We actually did this together in my face-to-face class, did this animation, report our results, and then kind of described what we what we learned by going through this process about the law of large numbers. So I encourage you to do that. So if there's anything that doesn't seem graded correctly, remember you can always hit this My Grades tab here, and there's also a StatCrunch link there. A few people are still searching that out. And if you need help using StatCrunch, we don't use it a lot at all, hardly in this chapters 4 through 6, but it'll be coming back around here when we get into the 7 through 9. So that's pretty much all I've got for you. Keep up the good work. Oh, the first test is graded. I have one or two people that have not taken it for various reasons. I want to release the exam and the solutions as soon as I have those, and that will be under chapters 1 through 3, where it says textbook and review materials. I'll actually post where it says sample tests and solutions from previous semesters. I will actually put the solutions right in there, just like it'll say here. I'll have a new folder that says Spring 2014. I'll put the test with the solutions and the solutions video. But some of you already have a grade available, so check that out, and we'll hopefully this week get that solutions video out, and we'll get chapter 4 knocked out, get a good start in chapter 5, and begin chapter 6 next week. So have a great one.